Clwyd, last Friday I had the pleasure of meeting 4 inspirational Year 11 pupils from Denbigh High School. Amy Martin, Jessica Briody-Hughes, Holly Roberts and Katie Rowlands, who are Team Tachyon. Then they are the world champions for the second time in the Formula 1 Challenge to Schools competition, having swept the board for awards and defending their best verbal presentation and best sponsorship and marketing award they had won in the World Finals in Singapore last year and successfully retained in Texas this year. They have a cabinet full of trophies and have this year attained the FIA Women in Motorsport Award to add to their impressive collection. They have fully embraced all the challenges using STEM subjects and are gaining some valuable skills and experiences for their later life. Amy has been offered a place in the F1 Williams Team Academy and is keen to go on to a career in engineering. They are truly inspirational young women who have taken on the challenges of the project outside of their schoolwork. They've become mentors for primary school children taking the F1 challenge now, made their families, their schools, their communities and me very proud. I hope this Assembly will also be proud of their achievements. Diolch.